So hello guys, welcome back to another video. So today a very sad news. Obviously, I think all of you guys have know that Warner Brothers Discovery is finally going to be sold to Netflix. So as you guys know that David Zaslav, who is the CEO of WBD, he had declared that Warner Brothers Discovery is ready for sales. And after that, many companies, many studios wanted to buy Warner Brothers because of its huge success and huge library, huge number of projects. And first of all, you guys know that Paramount Skydance had offered three times they had offered money to Warner Brothers Discovery to buy WBD, but at the end all the offers were rejected. And now guys, Netflix, which is the, you guys know, that most popular streaming platform, now Netflix is ready for buying Warner Brothers Discovery, and it is official that Netflix has won the bidding war of buying Warner Brothers Discovery. But guys, I tell you that this contract will not be finalized soon. It will take at least 12 months or 14 months or even more to complete the contract and deal between Warner Brothers Discovery and Netflix. But still guys, you guys think only that 99% chances is there that Netflix will completely conquer the WBD. So it's actually a very sad news for us, because you guys know that Netflix focuses way too much on OTT and streaming rather than releasing films in theaters. And even if they give movies theatrical release also, then also the theatrical run is very much for limited. And the co-CEO of Netflix has also declared that he thinks that nowadays people don't like to go to cinema halls to watch films. They prefer watching movies and TV series on OTT platforms, on streaming. So that is why. So you guys think only that if Netflix is successfully going to buy WBD completely, then the Harry Potter movies, DC movies, Monsterverse movies, and also many other live action movies are going to get a very limited theatrical release. So it's a really bad news, very bad news for cinema lovers, because for example, Monsterverse, you guys know that Monsterverse, Godzilla and Kong, so these all movies are actually known for the cinema experiences. Means you can't enjoy those movies like Godzilla vs Kong or Godzilla X Kong: The New Empire, King of Monsters, Skull Island. You cannot enjoy them nicely sitting in your home and watching on streaming. If you go to cinema hall, then only you will able to capture the real enjoyment from the movie. And same goes to DC movies also. The Superman, Batman movies and all the other DC movies, you guys know that they are actually superhero science fiction comic book movies, and the best enjoyment we get only in theaters, in cinema halls, not in our streaming platforms. The real enjoyment we always get from this type of action filled movies in theaters. And guys, I tell you that Netflix, till now Netflix had only won the bidding war. Means the deal is still now not finalized, and it will take a lot of time to finalize. So means you cannot say that Netflix has completely bought WBD. But yeah, I told you already that 99% chances that Netflix is successfully going to buy WBD, because as you guys know that Netflix is very popular streaming platform. So definitely they will have the money to buy it. And many rumors were going since when it was said that WBD is up for sale. Many fans are saying, many DC fans are saying that Snyderverse is going to be restored then if WBD gets sold. And you guys know that recently a rumor had also become very popular that Paramount is going to buy Warner Brothers by collabing with Saudi Arabia. And Saudi Arabia wants to restore the Snyderverse and bring back Zack Snyder to the DC movies. But guys, I tell you that whole thing that Snyderverse is going to be restored by Saudi Arabia, that was completely a rumor. Okay, the only true part of this rumor is that yes, Paramount was approaching Saudi Arabia to buy WBD, because WBD had rejected 3 offers from Paramount. But guys, it is really not true that Saudi Arabia is interested in restoring Zack Snyder's DC Extended Universe. So there is no mention of Snyderverse restoring in this whole deal, and these are only fake rumors. So please don't believe in this. And now people are also saying that if Netflix buys Warner Brothers, then maybe Netflix will restore the Snyderverse. First of all, I thought that only because obviously you guys know that Zack Snyder was in Netflix since a long time. But after some research, I don't think that Netflix is going to restore the Justice League 2 and Justice League 3 of Zack Snyder, because guys, the last movies you guys know that Zack Snyder made in Netflix, like Rebel Moon 2, those two were very flopped. And after that, for making a new movie, Zack Snyder had also demanded $100 million, but Netflix had said that we cannot give you $100 million, we can only give you $80 million. And also, you guys know that Zack Snyder is making a new movie, that is The Last Photograph, but he has not even found the distributor. And Netflix not even approached Zack Snyder that you should release your movie in our streaming platform or our Netflix. So I think guys that Netflix and Zack Snyder, I think Zack Snyder and Netflix contract is going to be expired, and maybe Netflix will not continue or extend the contract of Zack Snyder, because you guys know that Rebel Moon franchise was really a big failure. And I think that's the main reason that Netflix doesn't want Zack Snyder to direct any other movie for themselves. So if it happens and if the contract expires between Netflix and Zack Snyder, then I think guys that Zack Snyder will be out of Netflix, and there will be no hope for restoring the Snyderverse. So sorry guys, but I think guys it actually makes sense that Snyderverse is not going to be restored. And if you guys will think as a common, then yeah, it's not possible now. You guys know that first of all, when Snyder planned the story arc, it was really very original. And after that, you guys know that there were many additions to the DCEU. Like you guys know that Shazam, Black Adam, James Gunn's The Suicide Squad, Blue Beetle, and many other new characters and new storylines, new movies, they were introduced in the DC extended universe. So it's actually now not possible to restore the original Snyderverse. Means the original arc that Zack Snyder had planned for the DCEU, that can never be restored. Yes, you can say that Zack Snyder can edit his Snyderverse by adding Shazam, Black Adam, and also many other characters, and then bring Darkseid and Nightmare timeline. But still, guys, I don't think that it will ever happen again. So please forget about that. And logically, it's not possible also of restoring Snyderverse at this point of time, and it does not make any sense also if now it restores. Well, the Flash movie has already erased Snyderverse, you guys can say, because Flash movie was resetted the DCEU, and it kind of ended the chance that we will get Darkseid and Nightmare sequence in the DC extended universe. And James Gunn also wants fans to move on from DCEU. So I don't think there is any hope for Snyderverse to restore. I actually don't think. And if you talk about Henry Cavill Superman versus Dwayne Johnson Black Adam movie that once it was planned, and I think this is also means maybe Netflix is interested in it. There are a little bit chances that maybe this movie can happen in an else world, like Man of Steel 2 or Superman versus Black Adam, maybe, but I don't think that its percentage is also very low because Henry Cavill has moved on, and you guys know Dwayne Johnson has also quit DC a lot ago, and they are also not interested in it anymore. It's been a long time. It was cancelled and they all moved on. So still I think that there are a bit more chances that yes, maybe Netflix can give us a Superman versus Black Adam movie, but Snyder was the Justice League 2, Justice League 3, that will never ever happen. At least in this universe it will not happen. So that was our video, guys. I don't want to make this video so long, and yeah, if I tell my opinion, then I think that it's a really very sad news. Means Netflix, why man? Paramount was still better. The best, it would be Universal, the best. But now what can we do? Let's see what happens. But expect only, guys, that now if Netflix will take over the Warner Brothers, then they will rush many DC movies, and maybe once again we will get a new reboot. I don't know, man. If Netflix does this shit again, I don't know, man. Let's see what happens. But yeah, we are still going to get Man of Tomorrow, The Batman Part 2, and Supergirl, Clayface, Lanterns series in the upcoming years. At least those projects we will definitely get. So now, guys, let's end this video. We will meet in the next video, guys. Share your opinions. What do you think? It's good news or bad news? I think, guys, it's a really, really very bad news. So bye, guys. Thanks for watching.